Yo, welcome back to the Nate versus Everybody channel. Today, what we're going to be doing, we're actually going to be working on the Yamaha R6 today. We got some routine maintenance. We're going to be doing an oil change, showing you guys how to do that step by step. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. So what we're going to do here for this, we're actually going to be working on this side pretty much the entire time that we're actually doing this this oil change. What we're going to start off with doing is taking off this fairing here, and then we'll get right to where the oil is and go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and get a couple Allen keys and go ahead and get started on that. So now that we actually have the full fairing off, I actually had to take the whole thing off. The factory fairing is connected to like this air system and everything. So I took the whole fairing off, but now what we're gonna do is actually take the shift linkage off. We gotta get the shift linkage off so we can actually take, so that way we can get to the filter and actually drain the oil, and then we'll work towards putting the new oil in and going from there. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Now that we actually have it out, we get a chance to take a look at the oil. It's a little dirty. I think I got about 3,000 miles on this oil. So it's to be expected, but now we're gonna go ahead and hit the drain plug and go ahead and take out all the oil and then refill it and get the smoke started, get it right back in action. gonna do is go ahead and get this oil filter out. We did go with the Yamaha oil filter. Go ahead and replace the same one that was on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all opened up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get it put on and go from there. So now this oil filter actually comes already like pre-lubed up, so I'm not actually gonna put any extra oil on there. Just gonna use that. And so if you guys are doing this at home, remember when you actually put your filter back on, just hand tighten it. You don't really need to tighten it down with a wrench or anything like that. Just hand tighten it, pretty much as tight as you can. And there's a little washer that goes in there as well. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put that in there and get started. The new oil filter is on. What we're going to go ahead and do is put the shift linkage back, get all the fairings back on, and fill this thing up. So now it's time to actually go ahead and fill up the bike with oil. And what we're going to be doing is putting about 2.75 quarts in there. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get a funnel and go ahead and put it in. The only thing I have is a pretty big funnel. Actually, might give me an opportunity. Ooh, I can make it smaller. Nice. So we're going to be using that. Cool. Alright, so now that we have it all filled up, we'll go ahead and turn it on and run for a little bit. Alright, so now that we actually let it run and warm up, now we're going to go ahead and check the dipstick, see where we are on it. Make sure that the level is good. And looks pretty good right in the middle. One more time just in case. Yeah, right in the middle. I might put a little bit more in there, but so far everything looks good. Oil looks fantastic, and that's how you do the oil change, guys. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Once again, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Of course, I'm going to have more content like this with this bike, with this Mustang, and then of course with that Harley as well. So definitely keep checking the channel out. More videos coming soon. And yeah, comment below. Tell me guys what you guys want to see.